Hello, parents. This is Chris Allen, and I would like to give you an update for the week of March 15. In geometry this week, we are looking at tangent lines to circles. And so here's a multiple choice question. And we're told that the segment ML and MN are tangents to the circle O. And we want to find the measure value of X. Well, the key point of this problem is that those two segments are tangent. If they are tangent, then that tells us they are perpendicular to those radii, and therefore the measure of angle L is equal to 90, and so is the measure of angle N. We know from previous units that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. And so we can just add the three known angles together plus the unknown angle would have to be 360, which will give us that X has to be 63 degrees. In AP Calculus AB, we are culminating our Chapter 5 study, which was on differential equations. They had their test actually yesterday. And in Calc BC, we are culminating Chapter 8 study, which was on infinite series. We spent about 2.5 months on that, so that was a lot. So students in Calculus BC are really excited to be done with that. But now we're going to kind of shift to a very important conversation, and that would be this date right here, which is Tuesday, May 4th. That is when the AP exam will be for both Calc AB and Calc BC. It will be at 8 a.m. It will be here at Perry Meridian High School, and it will be paper and pencil. Now, I've already shared all of this with your son or daughters, but I just want to make sure that I'm sharing that with you. That is an in-person. There is not a virtual option. It is expected that students that signed up for AP Calculus take the exam. So anyway, so that date's important. So what I've done is, since we're still kind of hybrid technically right now, when we come back from spring break, that'll be a little bit different, is I have put a module together in Canvas for students, and I'm calling it a mock exam. It's not truly a mock exam. If we were going to do a mock exam, I would have everyone come in and we would pretend like we literally were having the exam, and we would go through all four parts. That's not really a realistic option right now. So what I've done is I've got this module built. There are the four components that will simulate the actual test. That will be on May 4th. And I'm asking students to do this between now and the beginning of April sometime. The answers will unlock the Friday, the last Friday of spring break. This is not for a grade, but I do expect students to do it, particularly students that are wanting to do well on that AP exam. There's no doubt in my mind that simulating the actual exam is very important. So anyways, if you have questions about that, please let me know. It's my job as the AP Calculus teacher to help students get ready for that exam and be prepared. Obviously, this year has had its own set of challenges with all the restrictions that we've had here in Marion County and Indiana due to the COVID pandemic, or yeah, I said that right, COVID-19. Final thoughts. This week is actually the first week of the last 9 weeks. So last week I was saying this is the end of the grading period. Now I'm saying it's the beginning of the grading period. So I would like to encourage you to tell your son or daughters to focus their effort in school this last 9 weeks. I'm going to say this specifically to some of my geometry students. My calc students, I don't struggle with this quite as much, but you need to be getting things done. You need to be attending class. You need to watch the videos. You need to complete assignments and take tests and quizzes. I have some students that aren't doing that to the level that they should be. So you still have a chance to turn things around, and I hope that you do. So please let me know how I can be a part of that. Also, we have spring break coming this Friday. So basically, spring break will be from March 20th through April 4th. So that'll be a nice 2-week break. I hope that you get to enjoy that time away. I actually am hoping to enjoy that time away as well. So Thank you so much for your time, and take care.